Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
So the CarePredict Tempo is the very first wearable designed specifically for seniors. Basically, to answer the question, is mom okay? Is grandma okay, or are they not okay? And that, at its very basic level, that's the whole idea. We have caregivers, family members around the country who don't live next to or even in the same city as their loved one. And basically what this wearable will do, it'll figure out someone's complete daily activity pattern. So you put it, grandma wears this, it'll know how long does she usually eat a day, how long does she usually sleep, how long does she usually bathe, how much time does she spend cooking, how much time does she spend in the living room, how much time does she spend walking. It'll even give an overall activity score to grandma. So you may know that grandma, for instance, usually is an 8.4. That's her activity level. And I'll give you an example of that right here. Well, actually, how about that? I picked 8.4. So there's her grandma. You can see her activity level up here. That's her overall score. If one day you open this app and this thing's saying 7 or 6, you have a pretty decent idea that something's going on with the grandma. The other thing that this will do is it will send you an alert if grandma's not within her normal range. So let's just say for bathroom activity. Grandma is usually she's in the bathroom 6 or 7 times. The last couple of days she's been out to the bathroom more than 10 times. It'll send you an alert on this app and basically gives you an opportunity to check in with grandma and say, is everything okay or not? The other thing that it has on it for grandma herself, it has a button on this. If grandma presses this button, it'll send an alert to my app. And if I want to, I can use this app to actually talk to grandma through her wrist-worn wearable. I touch this, I can put the app, and she can talk to me without doing anything. She doesn't have to click anything, press any buttons. She can have a conversation with me directly through this wearable, which seniors actually love. So again, that's what basically the bottom line here is grandma okay or not okay?
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.